Hey, what's up YouTube? Adrian here. Today I'm going to be talking again about the Fujifilm X-T20. I know I've done a couple of videos already and you might have seen those, but if you haven't, go check them out. I'll post the link in the description for my unboxing video and my hands-on video. But today's going to be a bit more of a summary of my thoughts. I feel like I've put a bunch of different thoughts out there, but I haven't really summarized it in a cohesive video. So that's what I'm going to do today. I want to start by saying that I like the camera way more than I thought I would. It's a really, really good camera. So I'm going to start with a couple of negatives, and then I'm going to go on to the things that I do really like about the camera. I guess the obvious negative is down the bottom, is the SD card slot and the tripod mount the tripod mount's off center, and so when you put a tripod on it, you can't actually access the battery and the SD card. It's not a major, but it is a little bit annoying. I actually do really like how this sort of flips out like that, but the problem here is that it doesn't have a full size microphone jack. I didn't bother trying to get an adapter, and so all the audio that I used in the last video you would have noticed isn't great because I've just used onboard. It's not bad, it's actually not bad, and there was a lot of noise and things like that because I was outdoors for most of it, but yeah, that is a bit of a pain. Otherwise, I really like the camera. Otherwise, I mean, image quality and autofocus system is amazing. It's really, really good. I think aesthetically, I love the look of the camera. I love the sort of half stainless steel color and the other half black. I think it looks really classic. It looks really vintage, which I really like. Sorry, one more thing, just bouncing back a little bit, is the flip out screen. It does flip out, but it doesn't flip down or to the side, so that if you say we're doing a vlog or something like that, you could see the screen. It is helpful if you're taking sort of like a low angle shot or a high angle shot. You can flip it and be able to see what you're shooting. But in terms of for purposes of like a vlog or something like that, it's not going to be handy. One of the major wins for me was the app. The app was very, very good. You know, I was very impressed with it. Super sharp, super snappy, just really, really easy to connect your camera and great to use, both to download photos and to shoot photos. That was really cool. I love the way the camera feels, the knobs and dials and things like that. The way you know, just even the fact that it's got an aperture ring and the way that you can control everything from the dials makes it feel like a camera should. I don't really know what that means, but I know what I'm thinking or feeling. You know what I mean? I found the menu really simple to use. I've been on a Canon. When I used the Panasonic, I found it a little bit complicated, but I found the Fuji reasonably simple to use. I actually haven't looked at the manual, to be honest, but I've managed to get everything I needed to without even using the manual, which I think is a testament to the camera. So overall, the camera is packed with features, everything that you need. Video quality is excellent, image quality is excellent. I really like it. It's a really, really good camera. In fact, I'm really sad that I'm having to hand it back. In fact, by the time you watch this video, I've probably handed it back already because it is a loan. And again, I want to say thank you to Fujifilm for entrusting me with the camera. I actually just used the f2 lens, the 23mm. I actually didn't put the kit lens on. I'm sure the kit lens is just as sharp, but I really like to be able to get that wide aperture and get that bit of a blurry background. So yeah, I was really, really stoked with the images that I did get, and I found myself over the course of the last weeks, rather than going and grabbing the 70D, just actually grabbing this for different on-feet photos and stuff that I needed to take. And yeah, I really liked it. It's a great camera, and if you're thinking or in the market of getting one, I would actually really recommend. I'm not being paid for this video. This is simply just a loan, and that's it. But I would recommend this camera. Highly recommend it. In fact, I really like it, and hopefully I'll find myself shooting with the X-T20 or with a Fujifilm camera one day. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, that's my thoughts. I don't think there's anything else that I need to add about this camera. Yeah, it's a fantastic camera. Go out and grab one, go out and try one if you can, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.